Hey everybody, it's Neil and I needed some new shorts. I've been painting a lot and for some reason I just kept wearing my shorts and getting paint all over them. So I got these here. Oh, these are soft. They've kind of got like that, I don't know what that's called. That feel where the zigzaggy kind of one there. But it looks like a nice pair of shorts here. It's got a pocket in the back and pockets on the side. I'll show you guys what they look like here in a second. Let me take off this last pair I was wearing and I'll show you what we got. So this is them here. I guess I'll back up a little bit. Yeah. So this is it here. Totally comfy. This is a size large, I think. I'm about 5'10", about 180 something pounds. So you can get an idea of it'll fit really good. A large totally fits with a lot of room. Probably could have gotten away with a medium even. But it feels good. And it's got a little patch here that doesn't say anything on it. It's kind of interesting. Little leather kind of patch. But these are comfortable and good. I could put something big. This is a huge, heavy battery pack. It's probably going to pull my pants down, but you can see you would be able to fit iPhone Max in there, no problem. So that is good. It's got a back pocket. Probably wouldn't fit quite as big, no, but still fits. So really nice and comfortable. I'm heading out on a cruise soon and want to look nice, look my best with some new clothes. So these are some of my new shorts. I like them. Thumbs up. Very good.